y'all, it's your girl Jalisa Shaveh, and today I'm going to be doing a Vogue inspired makeup tutorial. I'll be showing you my 11 steps on how to achieve your perfect fall look. But first and foremost, you want to start on those brows, and I'm using my favorite brow pencil by Morphe. I like to have a nice arch. I love me a nice natural bushy eyebrow for summertime, where it's just like effortless. You weren't trying too hard, you know? And of course you don't want to forget your moisturizer. I'm using the Murad Age Reform moisturizer, and this moisturizer is so good and it gives you such a nice natural glow. Oh, it just feels so good on the skin. Don't forget to moisturize your face, ladies. You need some type of sunscreen, okay? Don't be out here hot girl summering and then looking crazy and all ashy. And I'm using my favorite It's My Ray Ray palette. Smoke up that crease, baby. I'm gonna outline the lid just a little bit, not too much. And these are some of my favorite eyelashes and my lash line. Now I'm getting rid of last night's problems. And I'm concealing and highlighting with a Morphe concealer and a nice damp beauty blender. I just love how wide awake I look and how alive I am now. I don't know about y'all, but I'm an oily girl. The summertime and my skin do not get along. So I'm gonna set that really nice with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. And I like to set all in the T-zone of my face. And while that bakes, I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Contour and Blush palette and start bronzing up my cheekbones. I love a nice bronzy cheek for the summertime. This is pretty fun. I usually never do my makeup tutorials like this, so I'm a little bit excited. Ooh, she's cute. Then I just go back in and push in that powder so I can stay matte and flawless all day long, you know what I mean? Of course, we can't forget to contour that nose. Give us a nice slim nose job. I'm gonna go back in my It's My Ray Ray palette and go with French Toast and Radiant, and I'm gonna highlight that face. I love me a nice glow for summertime. This is when I get the most compliments on my skin. I mean, seriously, that is so beautiful. And last but definitely not least, I'm going to line my lips. And I'm going to top it off with my favorite lip gloss by Fenty Beauty, the Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss. This is some of the best lip gloss you'll ever put on in your life. Then I'm just smoking out my bottom lash line to really bring that look together. Okay, I believe she is done. She is looking bronzed. She is looking hot girl summer ready. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch, and I'll see you later. Peace.